when you're field stripping these guns every day, it's clockwork, like it's just automatic, like autopilot, right? So it gets to a point after doing this so many times, hell, within just a month or two, I can damn near do this blindfolded, right? Like, so cleaning these guns is nothing. After a few years, I didn't realize it, but I was so fast at field stripping guns. But I didn't know this because I never did it to try and be fast. It's just that I did it so often, I was fast, right? I found out I was fast because I was on YouTube one day and I seen this guy field strip a Glock, and it said fastest Glock field strip and reassemble. And I'm like, well, how fast am I? So, and I had never tried it before. So I did it and recorded. I recorded it 3 times. Only because the person recording, my ex-girlfriend, screwed it up the first 2 times. My first one was actually the fastest. The second was the slowest. The third was the middle in speed. And so I have that video. I'll post it below this. But for a couple years, I had the fastest Glock field strip and reassemble on the internet. And then 2 guys came along within like a 6-month period, beat my time, and I haven't paid attention to it since then. But yeah, it's just because it was just so much of it, man. Just nonstop every day, and all the different types of guns, you know. So there isn't a gun I don't know how to field strip. There isn't a gun I don't know in and out, up and down, like, you know what I mean? So it's different.